अब इमेजिन आप अपने डेली रोड्स पर जा रहे हैं, वही ट्रैफिक वाली रोड्स पर जा रहे हैं, एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस रोल्स अप ऑन द रोड. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Lexus stall at Japan Mobility Show 2025 and Lexus has come out with all guns blazing. ये है Lexus LS concept. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे Lexus LS इस बॉडी स्टाइल में आखिर चल क्या रहा है? Well, the answer is simple for the uninitiated. The Lexus LS has always been their flagship offering and the LS literally stands for luxury sedan. तो हमेशा से ही Lexus LS एक सेडान के तौर पर हमें देखने को मिली है, बट अब Lexus कह रहा है कि जो LS है उसकी डेफिनेशन में ही चेंज आ जाएगा इन द कमिंग टाइम. सो इट विल गो फ्रॉम बीइंग अ लग्जरी सेडान टू लग्जरी स्पेस. और स्पेस को अगर आपको मैक्सिमाइज करना है तो ये MPV फॉर्मेट ही आपको यूज करना पड़ता है सबसे ज्यादा स्पेस निकालने के लिए. और इसके लिए भी Lexus has done something really creative. We'll get to that in a bit. But let's take a closer look at the car. Let's start from the front. As you can see, you get this really futuristic Tron-like design elements up front. The Lexus lettering is illuminated and you have this really wide strip of lights that span across the width of the bonnet. You even have this second set of L-shaped DRL over here at the bumper and a vertical light strip in the middle for that extra futuristic appeal. What's really interesting is that the windshield actually comes down all the way to the bonnet, which is in there because the light and the windshield are connected. There's no physical metal bonnet in the middle, so that's a really interesting design detail. If you come to the side, आप देख सकते हैं आउटसाइड रियर व्यू मिरर की जगह वो कैमरा लगा है और उसके नीचे भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाइटिंग एलिमेंट हमें देखने को मिल जाता है. बहुत बड़ा व्हील यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है, डीप डिश स्टाइल डिजाइन एलॉय व्हील्स which gets illuminated in the middle and looks properly futuristic. But here's the big highlight. What you see here are two small wheels. So yes, what's essentially happening here is that this car will come with 3 axles. So what Lexus has been trying to do, like I mentioned earlier, luxury space LS is what their entire concept is. And if you want a lot of space over here at the back of the cabin जहाँ पर passengers बैठेंगे, तो यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा अगर टायर होगा, एक बहुत बड़ा alloy wheel होगा, तो अंदर space में intrusion होता है. So to make that simpler, what they've done is they've given 2 smaller wheels over here, making this a 6-wheeled car. And Lexus is saying that the production model of this car will actually come with a 6-wheel setup as well. And that to me is frankly mind-blowing. As you can see on the side, the windows are pretty much blanked out. And one last thing, there's text over there. And coming to the boot space, again, maximizing space is what this car is all about. As you can see, the boot opens in 2 parts. This entire part comes down and there's a half that opens up on top as well, revealing the boot space at the back. But the real party piece is on the side. So let's get to it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is this angle of the car. Like I said, as you can see, you have 3 rows of seats in the car. The middle row of seat actually revolves as well. So you will see in this shot how the middle bench is revolving, going from front facing the direction of where the car is being driven, to spinning around and having a more cozy setup in the middle. That's what you can do when you have such a massive piece of machinery with this unique approach to maximizing space. Even the front of the car is really unique. You can see the interiors are very minimalistic, very futuristic. So overall, the Lexus LS has now a new definition. It's no longer a sedan. And अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आज के समय में भी sedans relevant है, well, Lexus जैसी कंपनी ने उस पूरे एक्रोनिम को ही छोड़ दिया है, तो आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि sedans की आज की क्या हालत है. But future काफ़ी promising है. They are saying कि Lexus LS will spawn more kinds of products as well. There is a Lexus LS Coupe SUV concept on display over here. That also looks very nice, has suicide doors and everything. But of course, this has been one major talking point at the Japan Mobility Show 2025.